So it's permanent because bhakti is permanent, and that's the word meaning sthayi means fixed. Like we say, lila stali. Stali and stan, lila stan. Lila stan, lila stali. Sthayi, sthairati. All of these mean yudhisthira. Stira means fixed in battle. He was called Yudhisthira Maharaj, the leader of the Pandavas, because he was immovable in battle. Stira. Like we say, stita di. So sthayi means fixed in one place. So that's the basic word meaning in Sanskrit. So sthairati. Rati means bhav. Rati means love. The permanent fixed love, which there ain't none now. It's not there. Otherwise, if sthairati was there from the time you're born, you'll be interested in Radha and Krishna automatically.